am Christian Taylor, founder and CEO of Payvment.
Yeah, and what do you guys, we're here at the PayPal X conference, so that tells me something's happening with PayPal, but...
It's got to do with e-commerce.
E-commerce. What do you guys do?
We are a shopping cart web service. Foremost, we make it dead simple for anyone to launch e-commerce anywhere.
Okay.
You can come to our website, copy one line of code, you paste it into your website or blog, and you're given everything you need to instantly launch an e-commerce store. And not only that, it's free. You can come to our website, get a free account, just copy, paste it, instant e-commerce.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And you're integrated with Facebook now too.
Yeah,
right?
that's what we announced yesterday.
Okay.
We announced Payvment's Facebook application, and it's a completely integrated storefront for Facebook.
So we're going to see like wine stores and
You're going to see
stores,
it all, yeah. I mean, the retailers are already on Facebook. They're already marketing all their products there, but there's never been a way to really shop on Facebook. You know, so it's sort of the natural thing for the retailers. They want to be able to put their products there, and you know, there's 300 million consumers on Facebook. You know, so
now, are you guys? Do you have competition that's doing the same kind of thing, and how do you compare? And how do you differentiate from everybody else who's doing e-commerce?
E-commerce on Facebook is a whole new world, and I think that's why the retailers are excited. I mean, there's this large audience, and it's sort of an untapped market.
Okay.
But not only that, the application connects everybody's storefronts together. So a Facebook user can add items from one Facebook store and continue to shop across all the other Facebook stores, collecting items in their Facebook cart, and then make one purchase using PayPal.
That's
that
killer.
pays all the retailers in that cart.
So I could go to Apple, buy an iMac, and then go to Zappos and buy some shoes, and then go somewhere else, go to B&H and buy a camera, and it would all be listed in one payment?
Yep, you make one payment, and then the retailers all get paid on the back end.
So that tells me how you're using the new API, right?
Exactly.
So tell me a little bit about working with the new API. What did that allow you to do?
Well, it allowed us to build the checkout. You know, I mean, one of the goals for Payvment was to build a sort of anti-shopping cart abandonment network.
Yes.
You know, I mean, one of the big problems for retailers is that maybe only 2% of their shopping carts ever make it to checkout.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, we all go to Amazon, you know, and then, you know, when we log in, realize we have 5 items from 3 months ago that we added to the cart. Well, the idea of you know, having a network where all these shopping carts are connected, you know, you could go to Amazon, you could add items, you know, and then, you know, if you jump to a completely different store, those items are still there. You can continue to shop, you know, and then make one checkout. And the retailers are all getting paid.
Yeah.
You know, with Payvment, we don't take any cut, so you know, it's a direct purchase between the consumer and each of the retailers in their cart.
How do you guys get paid then?
Well, right now we're just developing the technology, so.
Okay.
You know, right now we're just getting feedback from, you know, all the retailers and just trying to build a great product.
Okay,
yeah.
But how will you get paid in the future? Because obviously you're a business.
Obviously we're a business. I mean, we just launched yesterday.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, one of the things we don't want to do is put a price tag on anything without first, you know, letting retailers play with it, you know, getting feedback from the developers, building applications using our technology, you know, and then, you know, once we get the feedback and really build a great product, you know, we have a lot more options of what we can do. But right now it's free. We want everybody to use it. We want to get feedback.
The PayPal API lets you put fees inside the purchase or outside, right? So the buyer can pay the fee on the outside, or the seller could pay the fee on the inside.
Right, yeah.
Interesting.
I mean, we don't do that. The consumer makes a purchase and we don't take any cut. The retailer gets the entire
At some point
amount.
you're going to have to make money though.
Yeah, but I don't think we're going to do it that way. You know,
really?
I mean, yeah.
How do you think you're going to make money?
Oh, you're going to twist my arm for this.
I am, because you know, I want to know.
Well, I mean, it's one of those things where, I mean, it's a developer platform on top of it, and I think once the developers start playing with it and playing with the API and giving us feedback of what they want, I think Payvement's going to sort of morph into something else. It's like, you know, so, you know, I can say one thing of ideas that I have, you know, because I mean, there's definitely ideas
like
for monetization later.
You're going to go for a year without.
Yeah, but you know, if I told you now, we're going to be a completely different product a year from now. I can imagine it. So, yeah.
What stage is your company in? What kind of investment have you had, and where are you going with
well,
that?
I mean, we just launched yesterday. We've been developing Payvment for roughly about a year and a half.
Yeah.
We've taken some angel money, and we're starting our Series A now. Okay. So now's the point where we try to expand and get it out to the world.
Tell me a little bit about the infrastructure. How did you build your company, and how is that different from how you would have built it 10 years ago? How are you hosted and that kind of thing?
Oh, well, I mean, I don't think you could have built Payvment 10 years ago. Yeah, really? I mean,
What kinds of things are you doing now?
Cloud computing for one.
Yeah.
You know,
Where are you hosted?
We use Amazon Web Services.
Okay.
I mean, because we need to. Because I mean, especially when you're trying to build a network, you know, I mean, that network has to be up 24/7.
Yeah.
You know, so you know, we needed lots of safeguards where you know.
Well, I work for Rackspace, and we're up 24/7.
Right. So, and we love Rackspace.
We'll try to get you off.
Right, there you go. But cloud computing, definitely one of them. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, you know,
Unless
not
you
only
build
for
a
our
company
company,
cheaply.
but yeah, I mean, not only for our company, but so many other companies in the last, you know, probably 5 years since cloud computing became popular.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, a lot of new innovation.
Okay. Anything else I should know about your company? And what you can do?
Well, you know, like I said, there's a developer API. We definitely want to let the developers know that, come play with it. You know, it's rapid shopping cart development. You can build your own custom shopping carts for mobile, social, pretty much anything.
Are you thinking of how to use the iPhone or the Android or the?
Yeah, actually, we have some demos that, you know, just me. I built some, you know, little shopping carts that are completely native that look, native to the iPhone interface. But one thing that we announced during the keynote yesterday was that we're giving all the developers the source code to the Facebook shopping cart.
Okay.
So they can add e-commerce to their own Facebook apps as a way to monetize selling items or doing, you know, if it's a travel app, you know, anything where commerce is needed, because there really isn't a shopping cart for Facebook. So it's sort of our way of giving back to the developers. We built this, storefront app for retailers, you know, but giving back to the community, we're giving them the source code to it.
Very cool. Where do we learn more?
Payvment.com.
And it's Payvment. So it's a little goofy on the spelling.
That's right.
And are you on Twitter or Facebook?
Yes,
as well?
at Payvment.
Okay.
And we're on Facebook. We're all over Facebook.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.